Good afternoon, guys. Just want to post this video. Finally got my blind finished. Kind of how I like it. Pretty cheap. Best I could do. Leftover materials. Got the doors and the windows and everything working. Just want to show y'all what I did. Got it camoed in. It's just latches here to secure it. Unlatch it. Open it up. I put some carpet in here. Leftover old carpet. But all these windows are on hinges. Got them secured in what tried to use the cheapest stuff I could, material that would go a long way, like this rope and stuff. So you just pull it up and then hook it up here, secure it so the wind doesn't really take it away. And I'm good to go. All of them up or down, however you want them. Got all the latches up there. Put me a cup holder. That's a cup holder right there from an RV kind of deal. Pops like that and then just closes shut. Got some hooks. I use this as a gun rack. I squeezed it in a little closer so the gun just sits vertical. Doesn't move. And up over here, put me some other hooks, hang a bag, whatever kind of deal. So you can see inside here, that chair, plenty of room, and plenty of room for somebody to sit beside me. But then I'll close that and latch it to keep it secured from wind or whatever. But got those hinges for the doors, windows. Let me know what y'all think. If I could do some things differently, I probably would, but like I said, this was all leftover material that I had used. Basically plywood and 2x4s. So thanks for watching. One thing I did want to add is, when I get in the blind and I'm ready to unsecure this, and I can sit in my chair, still hold it tight. It's super quiet. Super quiet. You just let it drop. That's why I like these hinges like this. Very, very quiet. And what I did right here, clip that like that so I don't lose that. Doesn't fall over the edge or nothing. Then when I'm ready to go, you just unclip it and pull that door back up like that and secure it up here. Really quiet, easy, cheap. That rope's cheap. Those hooks are cheap. Does the job.